Hello everyone, Carla Nix here with the Nix team at Coldwell Banker Sunstar Realty in beautiful Southwest Florida. Hope you're having a great week. We certainly are and are very excited to share so many holiday activities. So if you don't get our newsletter, be sure to sign up. You can send us an email to nixteaminfo@gmail.com or always message us on social media or give us a call. We are trying to make sure everybody feels the holiday spirit and participates, because one of the most amazing things about living here in Southwest Florida is the incredible sense of community, and that comes out at a lot of times during the year, but especially at the holidays. So we hope to see you around at one of the sponsored events that we will be attending, including tonight, Punta Gorda's Christmas tree lighting, and then we also sponsored a movie in the park tomorrow at Lashley Park, where they're going to be showing Frozen and having a lot of great family activities. So hope to see you there. Jumping into real estate, of course, we always talk about residential real estate over the course of a 7-day period here in Charlotte County, because that's where our office is located, but we serve all of Southwest Florida. We've had quite an abundance of new listings coming on the market. So 270 residential listings hit the market in the last 7 days. Of those, 110 have gone pending and 59 have made it all the way to closing. But again, it's the beginning of the month. So I expect we'll see that trend increase as people try to make their plans to be able to have their homestead capability by closing before the end of this year, this calendar year. So if that's you, if someone has told you that you need to establish homestead in Florida, certainly reach out to us. We're happy to talk with you about that so that you can be prepared to take advantage of your property tax capabilities for next year. We're always here to help both commercially and residentially, so give us a call at 941-225-4663. Have a great day, everybody.